Welcome this video title crafting the perfect outdoor patio design layout, a comprehensive guess introducing the allure of an outdoor patio transcend the boundary of a living space, often a retreat that seamless blend nature with comfort, design an outdoor patio layout involved careful considering of both enhance and functional elements to create a harmonious space that invite relax and socializations. In this comprehensive guess, we will explore key fantastic design principles and innovation innovate to help your craft perfect outdoor patio design layout. Assessing your space before delving into the design process. If club to assess the available space, measure to the mosaics of your outdoor area. Talk not of any architecture function, exact landscape and portrait. Consider functional like sunlight window and provide craft. Define this purpose. Climate to primary purpose of your outdoor patio is access of create a layout that align with your living style. Zoning your patio. Create zoning within your patio to center to define different attack and enhance functional common zombie in club dining long and entertainment area. Define those zoom use furniture arrangement rung or even charge inflow material zoom not only add various interior but also stem that outdoor space is versatile and well known. Gardening and landscape. Nurturing play or cap role in outdoor patio design and to grow gardening and landscape elements to enhance the nature ambience to your space pattern plants in gardening and flower bed not only add various appear but also combined to a scene of tranquility considered the groom pattern and material quality of plants hinting then in your entertain outdoor lighting explain use the use of your patio into the even house by incorporating style outdoor lighting allow part away highlights key functional and create a warm ambience with stream light lighting or built into 15. Consider the placement of lights to guard and create charm atmosphere to